students, today I am going to explain you how to use Zotero software for your in-text citation and referencing. It's very easy software, and in this session I will explain you how to download, install, as well as how to use in your Word document. So first of all, what you need to do is go to Zotero and /download. Once you will click, and you will get a page like this, and by clicking download you will download. I am not doing. After downloading it and clicking next, accepting the terms and condition, the software will be downloaded and installed your software in your computer. The next thing you need to do is you need to click on plugins, and once you will click plugins, a page will open like this. Go to word processor and writing integration and click on Zotero word processor plugin. Click it, download it, and run it. Once you will run in your computer and open your Word file, you will get a Zotero plugin in your system. This is how you will install the software. And now the important thing is how to use Zotero software for your in-text citation. For instance, it is a Word file. What you need to do is, and after completing all the download process, what you need to do is, for instance, I want to create this one. I want to put this citation, credit rating governance in my Word document. First you need to do is go to Zotero, add site, and you will get a page like this, search bar. In the search bar, corporate governance, and here I will select the link, whichever link I want to add. Click this one and enter, and here you'll see it has added a referencing at the end of the sentence. This is very easy way to put citation, and in fact you can add to more than one. Similarly, if you want to add more citation here, go to Zotero, add here, and write again for I want to add another Alexander 2006 reference. Click this one and add, click enter, and it will add dual referencing at the end of the sentence. And you can also add citation in the beginning. Go here at the beginning of the sentence, again click Zotero, add citation. I want to add this one. See, it has added this citation. And sometimes when you are following APA style or other style, they don't accept this kind of in-text citation, and for that what you need to do is you can click on classical view, and in the classical view show on hide indicator, and here you can click this one and remove this and click enter. See, it has converted name at all bracket 2002 and when the sentence. This is how you can add citation at the beginning of the sentence, and you can add referencing at the end of the sentence. And if you want to create a bibliography, very simple. Click Zotero, add, click on this one, and it will create all your referencing at the end of your. So this is very simple process of downloading, installing, and for your in-text citation. Another very important way what we can do is how to extract references from the website. For that, what you need to do is go to Google. Here you will write corporate governance or whatever the topic you want to do for your research. Here you will see all the referencing, and if I want to import all these data into my Zotero library, you can add extension here, and in extension you can simply add extension in Google Chrome. For that, what you need to do is click more tools and extension. In extension you can add Zotero. It's already added, and you can simply search and add extension here. And once you will do it, when you complete this process, you will get a tab like this. Click on this one and see It has immediately shows you all the referencing or the research articles on the Google Scholar page. You can simply import whatever you reference you would like to import, and the good thing is it will import if the PDF file is available. It will directly import the PDF file plus the reference. Like I'm copying my copyright governance and copyright compatible reference, click OK, and it has automatically saved in my Zotero software. This is very simple process you can follow and download the Zotero software and use in your in-text citation and referencing. If you have any query and confusion, please feel free to message me and I will get back to you with the appropriate answer. Thank you.